Welcome back to Ginger Flow. Let's wind down together, relieving tightness and stress throughout your whole body. Let's begin standing with your feet a little wider than hip-width distance. Root your feet into the ground, keeping a slight bend in the knees, and then stand up very tall. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out slowly. One more deep breath in and exhale all the way. Let's start shaking out your hands. Shake off the stress, the heaviness, that uncomfortable situation earlier. Just let it all go. Really put your emotions into it. Whatever it is you're carrying on your shoulders, really shake off your day today. Then place your hands on your hips and start shaking out your feet, one foot at a time. Then shake out your hands again. And release. Walk to the top of your mat. Inhale, circle your arms up and look up. Exhale, circle your arms down. Then roll all the way down to the ground. Inhale, look up and place your hands on your shins. And exhale, fold over again and begin to roll up to standing. Inhale at the top as you circle your arms up again. Exhale, arms down and roll all the way to fold over. Inhale, look up halfway, hands on your shins. Exhale, fold and roll up to standing. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Roll down vertebra by vertebra. This time, inhale, look up halfway, hands on your shins. Exhale, plant your hands down on the mat. Then step your feet all the way to the back. Lift your hips up high for downward facing dog. Option to walk out the feet, alternating between the heels. Feel that stretch all throughout the back side of your legs. Then really spread the fingers wide, your toes wide, and press your hands and feet into the earth. Breathe deeply. On your next breath, shift onto your hands and knees. Then press your chest down, slide your legs back, bring your hands underneath your shoulders and press up to Cobra. Really point through the toes, squeeze the glutes and lower the shoulders. One more breath in. And exhale, release your chest down. Then push up and back and sit on your heels. Resting your forehead on the ground, take a moment to come back to your breath. On your next inhale, slowly roll up to a kneeling posture. Interlace your fingers behind your back, point your index finger out and press into the earth. Open through the chest and shoulders, and if you're feeling comfortable, bring your gaze up to the sky. Then fold your index fingers in and carefully bend your elbows and place your hands to your left side. Then keeping the spine neutral, bring your left ear to your left shoulder. Feel the stretch on your right shoulder and neck. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Inhale, come back to center, press the fingers down and open the heart. Then exhale, fold the elbow as you bring your hands to the right and your right ear to your right shoulder. Find a nice stretch in your left shoulder and neck. Now come back to center and keeping your fingers interlaced, extend the arms down, fold over your thighs and carefully roll onto your head. Reach your arms to the sky. If you're already feeling a stretch in the shoulders, keep your hands on your back. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Slowly roll onto your forehead, sit back on your heels, and releasing your fingers, place your hands down underneath your shoulders and bring your knees underneath your hips. Inhale, drop the belly and look up. Exhale, round the spine, look down. Inhale, look up and squeeze your armpits. Exhale, round the spine and push the earth away. Inhale, up for cow. Exhale, down for cat. Inhale to neutral spine, then reach your left arm up. Exhale, thread underneath your right arm. Place your head and shoulder down. Option to reach your right arm up. Stay here or turn your hand over and place the back of your hand on your lower back. Deep breaths here in this twist. Carefully release your right hand, push up. Inhale, swing your left arm back up to the sky. Exhale, left hand down. Other side, reach your right arm up. Exhale, thread underneath your left arm, place your head and shoulder down. Option to extend your left arm up to the sky, or maybe place the back of your hand on your lower back. Take deep breaths. Slowly release your left arm. Press your left hand down as you push up and inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, release. Now, come on to a seated posture with your legs extended out in front of you. Flex through your feet and begin to walk your hands forward. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Walk your hands back up. Fold your left leg, placing your ankle on top of your right thigh, and walk your hands forward again. Try to find a stretch in your right hamstring and calf as you flex through your right foot. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Walk your hands back up. Hold your left knee into your chest. Wrap your right arm around and twist over to the left. Place your left hand behind you and dig into the earth as you grow taller through the spine. You can also use your elbow to lock your left knee in and twist deeper. Take one more breath in and exhale, come back to center. Keep your left ankle there, just lower the knee. Press your hands behind and fold your right knee into your chest. Feel a stretch in your left hip flexor and glute. Feel free to sway your knees side to side or even pick your chest up higher. One more breath here. And release your legs. Extend your left leg out, place your right ankle on top of your left thigh, and walk your hands forward. Keep your left foot flexed, and take deep breaths. One more breath in, and breath out. Walk your hands back up, pick up your right knee, wrap your left arm around and twist over to the right. Press your right fingers down as you pick your spine up taller. Use your left elbow to push away your right thigh if you want to go a little deeper. One more breath in. Exhale, come back to center. Drop your right knee down, place your hands behind you, and press your left knee up into your chest. Find a nice stretch in the right hip flexor and glute now. Breathe into it. Maybe sway your knees side to side. Take one more breath here. And release your legs. Bring it all the way down as you come onto your back. Shuffle your heels into your glutes, keeping your feet and knees hip-width distance. Then squeeze the glutes and press your hips up. Press your hands down into the ground to really open up the chest, or interlace your fingers behind your back and squeeze your shoulder blades in closer. Really spread the toes wide and press the balls of your feet into the earth to really engage your inner thigh muscles. Deep breath in and exhale. Release your fingers and slowly roll back down. Then bring your knees into your chest, wrap your arms around, and give yourself a big hug. Maybe you want to sway side to side here, just finding a nice release in your lower back. From here, extend your right leg down, open your left knee out, and reach for the outer edge of your left foot. Hold here, or play with extending your left leg out. Then bending the left knee, take your right hand on your left knee and drag it over across the body to the right. Open your left arm out wide, bring your gaze to your left thumb. Try to take longer exhales now as we really lower the heartbeat, lower our pulses, and cool down the body. Return through center, extend your left leg down, bring your right knee in, then reach your right hand for the outer edge of your right foot. Stay here or play with opening and closing your leg. Then bring your right knee in, take your left hand on your right knee, cross it over the body, open out your right arm, and look to your right thumb. Remember longer exhales. And finally, come back to center. Make any adjustments you need to fully relax and release your body here. Let everything go. Let your worries fade away. Just be here in this moment.
한숨 같던 하루 끝 허기를 달래려 잠이 드는 아이들의 기도가 들려오네 힘이 되어줄게 내일의 희망을 노래할 수 있게
Feel free to rest here longer. Just come up whenever you're ready. Thank you all so much for being here, for taking this class all the way through. Have a good rest of your evening and good night.